Hi everyone, Ms. Chu is back. Today I'm touching on 6.3 of your notes, which is the application of Trigo ratio to find unknown angles. Okay, so previously we've been looking for unknown lengths, right? So today we'll be looking for unknown angles in the right angle triangle. Okay, so when it comes to finding unknown angles, you will have to use sine, cosine, and tangent inverse. Okay, so on your calculator, some of you may not know how to press sine inverse, cosine inverse, or tangent inverse, but all you have to do actually is to press on shift, and sine, you will see the sine inverse, you will see the negative one, power negative one. Okay, give it a try. If not, you can always go on Google to search on how to press sine inverse, tangent inverse, cosine inverse on your calculator. Okay, so right now I want you to try pressing your calculator the inverse sine. So let's say A, if you want to find angle A, all you have to do is to sine inverse of 0.87. So you click on the calculator, shift sine 0.87, you will see 60.4586. So for decimal, for angle, round off to 1 dp. Okay, when you're rounding off. So to find B, I do cosine inverse 0.28. So again, on my calculator, I press shift cosine. I will see cosine inverse 0.28. Close bracket. So B is 73.7398. 1 dp. Okay, so again the answers are below. Alright, let me try something a little bit more complicated. So to find theta for part D, I bring the 3 over, I divide by 3 on the right hand side first before I do sine inverse. So theta will be sine inverse square root 2 over 3. So all is calculator work. Just press in whatever you see here. You will get 28.1 degree. Okay, so do go and try out the rest and check the answers on the bottom right of the question. Okay. Okay, so moving on to the next page, again, I will try one example with you and let you try the rest. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. First thing you do is always to label your triangle. Hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. So you have 2 lengths, opposite and your hypotenuse. So what do you use? Okay, so O and H is what you have. You sine. There can only be one unknown, and that unknown is your angle. Okay, so over H. So to find X, I will do sine inverse 10 divided by 18, and my angle would be 33.7 rounded off to 1 dp. Okay, please go on to try the rest of the questions on your own. Okay, and I will share with you the answers for the rest of the questions. If you have anything, feel free to WhatsApp me.